In the world of laundry, a sudden twist. Popular detergents, including Tide Pods, Gain Flings, Ace Pods, and Ariel Pods, have been recalled. The culprit? A packaging defect that could potentially lead to serious injury if ingested. The recall affects nearly 8.2 million packages sold in the United States from September 2023 to February 2024. The advice for consumers is to secure the recalled bags away from children and contact Procter & Gamble for a refund and replacement. Remember to check the lot code on the bags to see if they're part of the recall. Despite reports of children accessing the detergent packets, no injuries have been directly linked to the defect. Retailers like Big Lots, CVS, Walmart, and others sold the recalled products nationwide. Stay safe, folks.